Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is a very good Sunday. I'm going to take you to a very small and a tiny cafe in Bandra, Pali Hill, just near to Pali Hill. And I'm going to show you which metro station to get down at because Mumbai Metro has just inaugurated its new line, Aqua Line. So I'm going to take you through this entire journey and I'm going to show you this cafe, how small it is, how tiny it is, what you can expect in this cafe, what is recommended and what it offers. It's going to be an amazing journey. Stay tuned. Thank you. To go to this Subco mini cafe and which I'm going to take you through today, you need to take exit A2 and exit from A2 gate. So there are several exits as you have seen in the last clip. So we are going through the exit A2 and I'm going to show you the exit A2 and how you can approach to this tiny little cafe. You can take a lift for A2 exit to go to this cafe. So guys, this is the exit A2 point of the BKC Bandra Kurla Complex metro station. I'm here, exited the BKC A2 exit. And now I'm going to take an auto rickshaw to go to Pari Hill. So you need to take an auto rickshaw to Pari Hill. You get ample of rickshaws here. So you can just wave your hand at one of these auto rickshaws, request them to drop you at Pari Hill, and if they agree, you can get a auto rickshaw. So guys, I am at Pali Hill. You can get down at Jimmy's Burger. This is the famous point for Jimmy's Burger, or you can just put Pali Hill and you can get down over here. It's also called as Hill Road, and just opposite, just inside this Zatar versus Zait, you need to take this road, a small little walkway which is hardly 100-200 meters away. So there are two points which you can get down at from the metro station. One is the Bandra Colony metro station and second is the BKC Bandra Kurla Complex metro station. Both are equidistant, so you can get down at either of the stations. So from the main Jimmy's Burger point, it is hardly 100 meters walkway, 100-200 meters walkway, and you can just walk within this residential premises. Ensure that you maintain discipline and some decorum when you walk, because these are all residential areas. And this is the smallest cafe which I have taken you through. So I'll show you inside as to what they offer and what you can enjoy here. So guys, this is the smallest cafe, a tiny cafe. So you open the door, just mind your head, come down, and this is what you see here. This is the cafe. This is what they've got to offer you. Some sweet treats, and this is their menu. I have ordered for a peppermint mocha and Sip on the Rocks, which is recommended and must try. Here is my barista, and this is the entry point, a small little door which takes you in, and the ceiling height is just like 6 feet height. So there's a small AC, it's air conditioned. One or two persons can sit here and enjoy the coffee along with some sweet treats. Here I am with my 2 coffees in hand. I have got myself a peppermint mocha, which is much recommended, iced peppermint mocha, and a Sip on the Rocks. Both are cold, and I've paid around 350 rupees or 400 bucks. Little higher side, but yeah, it's must try, much recommended. And this is what you see. This is the smallest cafe, tiny cafe I have been through, which is just 6 feet in the height. A person with 6 feet height can manage himself inside, and a smaller person can definitely manage. It's for 2 people to sit. 2 or 3 people can easily sit down. Otherwise, you have bench outside wherein you can enjoy your coffee, and it's within the residential premises. So ensure that you don't make noise and maintain discipline and maintain some decorum, because it's within the residential premises. And as I've told you, you get 2 options to get down from the metro. You can get down at Bandra Colony metro station, or you can get down at Bandra Kurla complex, BKC metro station. Both are equidistant, and it hardly takes you 15 minutes by way through auto rickshaw, or even Ola or Uber can be used. Auto rickshaw can take you around 120 rupees from the metro station to here, and you need to take Aqua Line to reach here if metro is what you prefer. Otherwise, Ola, Uber or any of the taxi aggregators are always there to get you here. And you can come down to Pali Hill. The cafe is located at Pali Hill, and get down at Jimmy's Burger on Pali Hill Road, and just take a walk of 100-200 meters inside this residential complex. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm enjoying my coffee, and I hope to see you soon in the next vlog. Thank you.